This is a monthly sales export. July, 496 rows of orders by region, category, and channel. Every month, you get a fresh one of these. So I build the dashboard once. I just describe what I want. Revenue, orders, and units up top. Then revenue by region, by category, and a daily trend. And there it is. One request and the whole monthly view is built from the rows I uploaded. Total revenue, total orders, and total units for July, with the daily shape right underneath. Revenue by region, revenue by product category, and the day-by-day trend for the month. Before I trust it, I check it. This is the exact query behind revenue by region. Group by region, sum the revenue, straight from the July table. And these are the actual rows behind it. North, east, west, south. They add up to the total on the card so the number reconciles. Now, next month. Instead of rebuilding anything, I re-upload the source file and choose August. Same columns, same shape, so it swaps the new data in behind the same table. Updated, one table refreshed, and the same dashboard now reads August. Revenue's up to 1.34 million, orders and units both higher, and I didn't touch a single chart. Every chart moved to August with it. One thing to know, the title still says July until you rename it. The data's current, the name just doesn't follow on its own. When the month's numbers are right, I share it. One link, and it works outside the workspace. There's the link. Send it once, and next month the same link shows the refreshed numbers after you re-upload. That's the whole idea. Build the dashboard once, then just refresh it each month. The full walkthrough is linked in the description.